B-LAN cell phone holder, universal mobile phone stand, lazy bracket, deep flexible mount stand with multiple function, black. Use your phone in any situation. This holder attaches to a flexible gooseneck stand which you can bend into any shape you need to accommodate your phone. Use it as a stand on your desk. Wrap it under your mattress to prop up your phone in bed for hands-free viewing. Or wrap it around your neck to video chat with someone while you're on a walk or while you're sitting on the couch watching videos. Wide compatibility. The holder will accommodate most any cell phone holding phones that are 2.2 to 3.3 inches wide. That width handles all major brands and models, such as iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone X8 8 Plus 7 7 Plus 6 6 Plus 6s 6s Plus, Google Pixel, Nexus, Huawei, Galaxy S10 S9 S8 S7 S6, ECT. Flexible and adjustable holder with 360 rotation clip-on holder, flexible long gooseneck arm. You can freely adjust it to your best viewing angle when you're lying on your bed or sofa. Notice, due to its flexible structure, there are wobbles while typing on the phone. Removable phone mount. The phone mount is magnetically connected with gooseneck stand, which could be coiled up nice for better storage. Perfect for traveling. It also packed with beautiful box, which could be a great gift idea for your family, friends or lover. Sturdy holder. This holder is very sturdy thanks to its 70% aluminum magnesium alloy construction provide more stable and durable using experience. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.